Alright people, we are back at you once again, and today we're going to be unwrapping slash unboxing this PS4 DualShock 4 controller charging cable, 10 feet, from Game On, that I picked up at Walmart. I wonder if I could just tear it. Yep, looks that way. Pretty simple. Simple to open up, and I could also just keep it in this thing here. So yeah, I only paid $5 for this bad boy at Walmart, and it's always good to have an extra charging cable, which is pretty kick-ass. So I hope this lasts me a long time, and hell yeah. Anyways, yes, that was my unboxing there of the DualShock 4 charging cable for the PS4, and that is it for now. I'm out of here.